Now, let's learn how to copy effects from one clip to another. This is one of the most important workflow techniques because it saves a huge amount of time in real editing projects. I created a vintage-style black and white clip using effects, and I want to apply the same effects to other clips. Now look at the Effect Controls panel. Here you can see the effects already applied. At the top, we have the vignette effect. Below that is brightness and contrast. Next, we have black and white, then lumetri color, and finally, the tint effect. Each effect contributes to the final visual look. If we want to apply these same effects to other clips, then go to the Effect Controls panel and select the effects and then press Ctrl or Command C. Now select the target clips and paste the effects. If you want to modify the effects later, simply select the clip and adjust the effect values. Now let me tell you another powerful method. First, undo the action. Select the effect or effects you want to save. Then, right-click and choose Save Preset. Give your preset a meaningful name, something that helps you easily recognize the style later. Click OK. Now go to the Effects panel. Open the Presets folder. Here you'll find the preset you just created. And now you can apply this preset anytime. Simply drag it onto any clip. Premiere instantly applies all the saved effects and settings. Presets are incredibly useful when reusing visual styles, applying consistent color grading, speeding up repetitive workflows, maintaining project-wide consistency, working on large edits. Instead of rebuilding effects manually, you can reuse them with a single drag. Now let me show you one more professional technique, which is highly recommended in real editing workflows. First, let's undo the previous action. Go to the project panel. Click the new item icon. Then choose Adjustment Layer. Click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline and place it above your clips. Position it exactly where you want the effects to appear. Now simply drag your effects onto the adjustment layer, and instantly, all clips beneath it inherit those effects. This means you don't have to apply effects to each clip individually. One of the biggest benefits, if you no longer need the effect, you can simply turn off the effect, disable the adjustment layer, or delete it completely. This makes adjustments incredibly flexible. If you want different effects for specific clips, simply cut the adjustment layer and modify the effects separately. This gives you enormous creative freedom. You can also create multiple adjustment layers. Each layer can contain different effects, allowing advanced visual control and complex compositions. Adjustment layers are essential for global color grading, applying consistent effects, fast workflow management, flexible corrections. This technique is widely used in professional editing environments. Mastering these workflows will significantly enhance your editing speed and professional control.